Dogecoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Dogecoin, guys. In this video, I'm shortly predicate Dogecoin that what's the move coming in a Dogecoin is, guys. In the future, there is possibilities that the price of Dogecoin will pump, or is there is possibilities that the price will dump. And guys, I also predicated Dogecoin in this video for short time. Let's start the video. Let's go ahead, guys. But if you're new here, so kindly don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos. Let's go ahead, guys. At this time, guys, if we talk about the current price of Dogecoin in the market, so as you can see here, 0.247563 USD dollar. That is the current price of Dogecoin in the market. Other side, if we talk about the changes update of Dogecoin, so absolutely, you know what? Only and only yesterday, for short time, Dogecoin price dump. Only yesterday, guys. But other side, if you look the previous update and the latest update, so you can see here the both update is positive. Only yesterday for short time the price is dump. So you know what, a lot of people decide to sell due to this short time update, but guys, believe me, it's just short time dump. You know what, now my prediction about Dogecoin is that, guys, that I believe that in the last week of October there is huge move of Dogecoin is coming soon. So that's why on the basis of this update, on the basis of this prediction, I believe and I recommend, I suggest for all of my viewers, for all of my subscriber guys, that guys, it's a profit opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. Just hold to the last of October, guys. Anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any crypto, any coin, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel.